Hi, my name is Jeff Gray. I'm with Gray Plumbing Incorporated. We are a full-service plumbing company. The services we provide include trenchless sewer repair and replacement. We service clogs as well as all things plumbing related. We do gas lines, do water lines, full house piping or repiping. Everything from the meter throughout your whole home, plumbing related, we can take care of you. Gray Plumbing was established in 2016 right out of my garage. From that, we have grown to 5 trucks that we are at currently, and we're planning to expand over the next few years to become a premier plumbing company here in Solano County. We're all about quality. If you want the job done and you want the job done right the first time, you want to call Gray Plumbing. Our motto is where quality and value meet. Being that we are a union-based shop, all of our plumbers go through a full range of training. It is a 5-year apprenticeship, so not only are we well versed in residential plumbing, but we're well versed in commercial plumbing as well. We can take care of water heaters, boilers, as well as hydronics. That being the case, you're going to get the best quality person and get the right person out to you to take care of your needs the right way. The other type of training that we have is with the newer technologies with the electric water heater that are hybrids. This is a brand new technology that all municipalities as well as the federal is moving towards. We're moving away from gas and we're moving more towards electric. So with that, we're able to educate our customers, educate you as to what would be the best choice when it comes to your water heating needs. We believe in a win-win-win scenario. A win for the customer, a win for the company, and a win for the employee. We want to create long-term relationships with all of our customers. When you call us, we want to be your plumber for life. So, when you'd like to have a quality plumber come out to your home, please give us a call. We are Gray Plumbing, where quality and value meet.